Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today. Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today.
Good morning, guys. So today is October 24th. It's a Thursday, and today is the day na we're gonna be driving. Ito na naman, last year we did road trip to Las Vegas, right? And we're gonna do it again, but this time around, kasama namin si Kiku. Yun lang yung difference. Anyway, nakaligo na ako, and ito lang yung suot ko, papunta para sa road trip namin. Guys, si Kiku ang pinakaunang sumakay kanina dito sa car. Ayaw talaga niya maiwan. Tingnan niya. Ready? Are you ready for our road trip, Kiku? Aba, may panginig-ginig ka pa dyan. Guys, ito yung baon namin. Adobo. Gusto mo si Kiku? Baba. Pyong! Oink!
Whiskey warm on a brittle fun night. She was doing fine and I was doing right. Falling in today.
Time check po! Anong time na? 12:30. Hi, Kiku. Hi, ka.
I tried my best to hide feelings deep inside, starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my existence, wondering with all persistence, wondering where she gone, falling further.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa may Heritage Park, State Capitol, in Bismarck, North Dakota.
Ay! Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play, princess don't fade.
Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Theodore Roosevelt National Park. Ito yung meron ditong scenic view at sobrang ganda niya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Guys, finally, nakarating na kami dito sa South Dakota side. Oh my gosh. Time check, it's already 5:30. Time check, it's 7:17 p.m. na, but that's local time of Wyoming. Nakarating na kami dito sa side at ginabi na kami. So, yun, tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami magda-drive for the next 3 hours and then we'll probably do another stopover. Good morning, guys. Time check, it's 7:08 a.m. local time. So, we're still about 10.5 hours away from Las Vegas, like dun sa bahay mismo ni ate. And kahapon, it was like, not kahapon, last night it was a crazy drive. We were driving through Wyoming and sobrang dami naming nakitang deer. Like, iba-ibang wildlife. Merong deer, merong mga rabbit, meron akong nakitang coyote. As in, yung iba, nasa gilid lang ng road. Yung iba, nasa road mismo. Merong moment na kailangan ko businahan yung deer para tumabilis sila dun sa road. Kahapon, siguro mga 4 a.m., talagang tinamaan na talaga kami ng antok at hindi na kinaya mag-drive. So, tumigil kami sa may Loves and natulog kami doon for like 2.5 hours. And then now, we're gonna start driving again. Hopefully, next time I update you guys, we're gonna be in Vegas na.
Stopped right now for eating.
I have adobo.
So your adobo. That's the last of our adobo. I'm having noodles.
Hi guys, time check. It's 10:04 a.m. na and we finally reached yung border ng Utah, as you can see at the back. So, yeah, we're gonna keep driving for a couple more hours and then we're gonna do another stop.
Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, hard to fit in when I'm flying, flying. Fit in when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine always keeps.
Guys, so nag-stop over ulit kami. We're still in Utah, pero malapit na kami makarating sa border ng Arizona. So, nag-stop over kami dito sa Wendy's and I got this fries. Tapos, meron na tong Frosty, small Frosty. And then, meron na tong chicken nuggets. And this is in garlic parm flavor. And then, si Jam, she got fries baconator. Ganyan yung tsura niya. Ay, meron pa pala. We also got this large Coke. This is only $1. And itong Wendy's na double cheeseburger ba to? Yeah. So, ito yung first naming binili talaga na meal. Dahil nga may baon kami, pero naubos na siya. So, kain muna tayo. It's actually already dinner time. It's around 5:30-ish na. Hi guys! I'm here sa Antelope Island State Park in Salt Lake City, Utah. Dito sa likod, meron lang mga lakes dito and sobrang peaceful niya. Pwede kang mag-watch ng mga, seagull, sabi ni Jam. Basta may mga birds na nandun lang sa water floating. I saw actually some people na nagtitake ng pictures. Like, they have like professional cameras. I think that's what they do for a living. So, sobrang cool lang. Ang peaceful. Napaka-zen ng place. Guys, nandito kami sa may beach access dito sa Antelope State Park. And gusto lang namin makita yung sa water area, like yung lakeside. Gusto ko tikman yung tubig. Kasi apparently, nabasa ko online na actual salt water pala yung lake dito. And historically daw, people used to mine salt from here daw. And they actually use it for food. So, curious kami at naisipan namin bumaba dito. Ayan, nauuna na sa akin sila Kiku at si Jam. Medyo malayo pala tong water area na part. Medyo in-underestimate namin. Pero push na natin to since we're already walking. And para feel na feel, oh, may coffee pa akong dala. Nakabaso pa.
When I have a dumb idea, I'm gonna take that. Because it used to be water. Looks like. Yeah, it's too.
Yeah. It's salt though. Should try it. Like, you should have gotten like a big piece and then lick off from it.
Yeah.
Salty?
Salty. You wanna taste it too?
Yeah.
Oh, video mo. Baliktad mo yung ano mo.
I'll try it.
No.
Hindi ko masyado na-taste. Yeah, maalat siya. Parang siyang... Ano yung pink salt na Himalayan? Parang siyang Himalayan salt. Hindi siya yung super salty salt. Pero you can definitely taste it salty. Guys, finally, natatanaw ko na yung water.
See that?
Pero layo pa rin.
Everything the sun touches is not ours.
Oh my gosh, guys. Ang ganda. Sana andito rin kayo.
Holy! Mababasa sige ko mamaya.
Ano?
$5 filtered water.
Try natin.
Bye.
Sige. Guys,
Kita ba
second
tayo?
dumb idea. Tasting if it's actually salty.
It is!
Alat?
Yeah! That's crazy! Not sanitary, but crazy! My dog doesn't want to be in it.
Dumb ideas.
Right, so ano ang yung masasabi sa experience natin?
At yun dito, ang saya. Kasi kakaiba siya eh. Parang, wala namang, walang ganito sa Canada at least.
Salt water?
Something different.
True.
Oh, merong salt
There's
water
the ocean.
sa Canada. Pero, like, yung may kasamang ganitong klaseng view, tsaka, ang relaxing lang ng feeling.
All I can say is the water is salty. The dirt is salty too. That's my comment.
Guys, tingnan nyo. May pagod na pagod dito. Hindi makausap. Ayaw mamansin. Kiku. Wow, behave. Behave ang girly pops. Pero guys, ang pansinin nyo dito is, actual na binabantayan nyo dyan is yung adobo. Guys, andito na kami sa may Arizona sign. Bababa ako para lang makita nyo. But time check, it's already 8:15 p.m. local time. Arizona. And that's the sign, guys. Guys, we're finally here. It's 7:45 p.m. and that's Nevada time. And Pacific time ata yung Nevada. And this is our last stop before we finally head to Las Vegas.
I would rather be, yeah, I know that we can face it. What we got, no one can break it.
Luca! Hi! Ate! Napipi siya. Natakot siya kay Chanel.
She's peeing on me right now.
Oh, let's go, guys. Sleeping time na si Luca. Ang dalawang makulit. Paikot-ikot.